Today we are gonna make the old grandfather's clock. Let's put them aside and let's go step by step. So I'm gonna be creating the base first, for which we're gonna use the 4 blue color pipes. Let's start attaching them. Alright. Now we have more space on these 2 pipes, so let's put some more pipes on these 2. So this is the base of the clock. The main clock is going to be placed over the base. So let's keep the base aside for a bit and let's make the main clock. For which I'm going to use the 4 sticks. This time the green ones. And I'm going to attach them like this. So let's get started. Make sure you attach them properly and they don't come off. We're gonna keep this aside too. And now let's make the other parts of the clock. I've taken these 2 black pipes. And now we're gonna put 4 colorful pipes between these 2 pipes, like this. You can pick any color of your choice. Now one at a time, join the other edge of all the 4 pipes to the other black pipe. Make sure it's steady and properly connected. And you can space them out. Make sure all the 4 pipes are at equal distance. And we're gonna make 3 more pieces of the same kind that we just created. So 2 more black pipes. Similarly, we're gonna join these 2 pipes with the 4 colorful pipes, one at a time. So first on the first pipe, and then let's join them to the other pipe. And let's spread them out to be equidistant. So 2 more pieces to go. Two pipes and then 4 multicolor pipes to attach them together. And the last one. And then connect all of them to the other black pipe. And then make sure they're equidistant from each other. Let's start joining the structure now. So here we have the base. Now we're gonna put the base of the main clock over the base. Now we can press the pipes and then connect them like this. Make sure the structure is steady. Now we're going to arrange the pipes in such a manner so that it looks like this. That should be the shape now, like the base of the tower. And now, we're gonna put the structures that we made on each side of the base like this. Similarly, we're gonna join the structure on the other side too, like this. Okay, you have to keep these pipes in this position. Hold it firmly and make sure it doesn't move, because the shape is very important. So it looks like this now. Now these two structures go on top of the other two that we just connected to the base. So we're gonna do it one at a time. One part goes here. Very carefully. Make sure you don't change the shape of the structure. One side is done. Now let's get to the other side. We're gonna attach this structure to the other side now. Alright! So the other wall is completed too. Now we're going to make the shed of the clock. Let's first make some space here. So now I'm going to attach one red pipe here on the black pipe. And I'm going to take another red pipe and connect it to the other edge like this. And now I'm going to take two more red pipes to attach on the other wall. Now we're going to lock these two pipes together on each side like this. Now I'm going to take these two pipes and join these two red pipes like this. Let's arrange it. Similarly, we're gonna join these two pipes on the other side too. Let's make sure the red pipes are locked. But let's put these two pipes first. Make sure they are properly connected. And now, lock the red ones. And we have made the structure of the clock. Wow, it looks nice. And now we're going to connect this yellow pipe between these two pipes. We can readjust the structure to make sure it's steady. Now we're going to take another red pipe to attach these two red pipes like this. So the whole structure is created. Now we're just gonna make the pendulum. I'm gonna take a pipe and attach to this yellow pipe up here. Now this stick will be the pendulum. Let's place it in the center. Now I'm going to attach this loop at the end of the pipe. Now that's the roof of the clock. These are the two sides. In the middle is the pendulum. And this is the base. And the old grandfather's clock is ready! Yay!